Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can check the trending topics, trending things on your Parler account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open our Parler account. You can open this in your mobile phone or on your laptop screen as well. And after opening that, as you can see, you will get the trending option here. So you need to go to the trending option, and after going to the trending option, as you can see, you will be able to see the trending things here. Like if you want to follow them, you can also do that. For example, I want to follow this one, and I also want to follow this one as well. So I'm going to click on the follow to these account, and after that you will be able to see the trending topics as well. As you can see, like the mega Washington, so these are the currently in trending. If you want to follow them, you can also do that, like this, as you can see, Trinity, and these all accounts are provided here. You can also follow them. If you want to show more, you can also see these accounts as well. So in this way you can see the trending things, and you can follow the posts, follow the accounts as well. I'm going to follow this. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can check out the trending things on your Parler. So see you guys in the next video.